Do you know many people are having trouble with setting up their Dometic CFX3 45 COOLBOX? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Connect power. Connect your Dometic CFX3 45 to a power source using the AC or DC cables provided. Ensure the connections are secure. Step 2. Turn on. Briefly press the power button on the control panel to switch on the COOLBOX. Step 3. Access menu. Navigate through the menu using the buttons on the display panel and select the temperature setting option. Step 4. Adjust temperature. Adjust the desired temperature by pressing the up or down buttons, changing it in 1 degree increments. Step 5. Save settings. Confirm and save your chosen temperature setting by pressing the select button. By following these steps, you should now be able to start and set the temperature on your Dometic CFX3 45 COOLBOX. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Dometic users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.